What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, we all know, every single one of us knows that AI is going to run this bull market and will be a major part of our lives from here on out. We see so many things from ChatGPT to AI responses and robots and automated systems and you look at even just the Meta Quest glasses that I have, right? You look at all of the different things that are AI related right now. AI is running the world, let alone crypto. So when we talk about investments that we want to get into with a massive use case, we want to invest into things that are going to be popular now and popular for the future. And AI is going to be that. So we're looking for plays that are going to run, use cases within these models, and we're looking for bigger names and bigger images and obviously bigger followings within them. So I have a project that I want to bring to the table. It is TARS protocol. This is one that came across my desk that is more about the AI behind it rather than just the investment, but the investment is a big part of what it is. So I want to talk about this project. I want to talk about everything that they offer, as well as look through the chart and all the news and everything there. Guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at PerryHGA, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about all of the links for TARS protocol. I will put those at the top of the description so you guys can research it yourself. I want you to take everything I say with a grain of salt, whether I say it's the best project in the world or whatever. I want you guys to research it yourself and come up with an opinion for yourself, because it makes you feel better about holding it when you decide and say, this looks really, really good. And I think it's going to be a great, addition to my portfolio, right? That's going to make you feel great about, saying that and doing that. So let's go ahead and dive into this. So TARS protocol, again, this has come across my desk, and when I saw that the AI features, Web3, and the different people that were talking about it and what they were saying about it, it really brought everything together as a pretty interesting project. So empowering the Web3 leap, AI for all. TARS is an AI-driven, scalable Web3 modular infrastructure platform enabling organizations and individuals to effortlessly transition from Web 2 all the way to Web 3. Now you can go in here and you could see their AI hub, which I do have up. If you wanted to go and check out their AI hub, which you can unlock the power of AI with Web3 powered by TARS protocol. You can search for different AI models and categories, link your wallet, and it's very simple, right? So you connect your wallet, your Web3 wallet, which could be you could be looking at Phantom, Soulflare, you can be looking at Coinbase wallet, and so on and so forth, right? So you connect your wallet, choose your desired AI model. So you would go through and you could search for it, or you can discover the models down below, and you would pick on the one that you want. You would hit launch, and then you can go to the next step, which you would check to see if you have a balance. The system automatically checks to see if your wallet meets the crypto holding requirement, and then you have access granted, which you would be using AI seamlessly. Now, if your balance is insufficient, then the access will be denied. Buy and hold required crypto and retry step 2. Now, again, if you want to explore their AI models, their library, right? They have things like text to image, right? Video to anime. You have GPT-4. You have video object replacement. Image, make any image talk, which I thought was pretty cool, because I've seen those videos to where you have images like the Mona Lisa that's talking and doing something or whatever for like maybe a music video or just a regular like TikTok or YouTube video or something. It's pretty cool. AI logo designer and so on and so forth. Many different things that you can choose from to kind of just give yourself maybe a better editing experience if you wanted to do it for your videos or whatever you wanted to use it for, right? So that's the big AI portion of it, where you can use it for those models and explore those models. But let's go more into this, right? Look at the feature highlights. So we are consistently innovating and adding new features to empower both organizations and individuals in Web3 ecosystem, helping them effortlessly transition from Web 2 to Web 3. You have Premier Web 3 AI aggregator, easy access to AI and Web 3 wallets, multi-chain support for enhanced reach, one-stop platform for Web3 solutions, AI-powered value for native tokens, thriving community, and partnerships here. So honestly, they're offering quite a bit when you talk about the connection to AI and even just transitioning, like they said, from Web 2 to Web 3 and helping individuals do that, as well as organizations, which could be big for each person and each company involved. TAR's use cases, streamlined token distribution. Claimer offers an efficient solution for teams, investors, and community members to manage token allocations and custom unlock schedules in a decentralized environment. Custom Web3 portals. TAR Space enables organization to create a tailored and secure environment to showcase their projects, interact with their community, and manage their Web3 presence. Simplified fundraising and token sales. Smart Safe provides a secure platform to conduct token sales, ensuring regulatory compliance and offering investors a user-friendly interface to participate in projects. Decentralized identity verification. Web3 staff authenticator allows organizations to easily manage and verify the identities of their team members and fostering trust and credibility within the Web3 ecosystem, and many other things, obviously, as you get into the use cases there. Explore their products. You can go in here and explore a little bit. Obviously, I don't have a crazy amount of time to really go through it, but we have gone through the AI hub. You have the TARS space that you can go through, rebuild influence and trust on Web3. Claimer, you can go into this, which Claimer is a DApp that allows anyone to create time release tokens vesting, lock tokens, LP, or distribute NFTs based on the time and event. Smart, we just talked about that. Smart Safe. At TARS, anyone can effortlessly launch Smart Safe, to host the token sales of fundraising investments. And you have Web3 staff authenticator, which we did just talk about as well. Now, I wanted to go into and just show you, I guess, maybe a picture of their popularity. When you look at their Twitter account, they have 255,000 followers. You're looking at a business account. You're looking at many different announcements that they do have and hype and attention that's surrounding this and different partnerships and announcements there. So feel free to go and follow them on Twitter if you guys are interested in, this project, or at least a little bit interested in the project, a little bit interested in AI. They may be a major part of that scene. As you look at some announcements that they have, so TARS is now live on Arbitrum. So just to give you that a little bit of news. And then also TARS is now live on OKX exchange or chain. So that's, again, some big news to be able to have some hype, some attention, some popularity, and just put something else out there that can now bring, TARS name to another place where there's a hub of people or a group of people that have not heard about it, and now you hear about it. So one thing I want to finish on is going into the actual position and where it stands. So currently TARS is sitting at about 7.9 cents. It's down about 4%. We're seeing the entire market that is down, so it's understandable why, it is. You have $9.8 million of a market cap with about $3.1 million worth of volume, 31% volume to market cap ratio. I feel like that is a good thing. Overall, coins that are available is 1 billion, which is not bad at all when it comes to, reasonable prices that you get to. You're talking about dollars that you can get to, multiple dollars that you can get to, which is fantastic, especially seeing it at 8 cents where it currently stands. Now, this is something that is pretty new. It's relatively new. If we look at the last 7 days, it is up 81%. We have seen it rise with all the attention that it has gotten. Again, in the last 24 hours, it's up 406% in the volume. So it's definitely seeing quite a bit of attention there. And if we look at the last month, which it it would be less than a month because it became on CoinMarketCap. I don't know how long it was before that, but on CoinMarketCap of May 2nd, you're seeing a 50% gain since then. And the top point, the peak point was around 11 cents. So as an investment, as a use case, it could be something that could take off and be worth quite a bit, especially in this bull run that we all know is going to be the AI bull run. So again, if you guys are interested in this, I will provide all of the links down below for TAR's protocol for you guys to check it out for yourself. It does look very interesting to me, and I want you guys to take your time, research it. If you really, really like it, put something down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. But guys, I got to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.